Thank you for this messages, Bhagavan. You said it in Gita. You are in the heart. You are sending these messages. I feel like this in the body. I feel like this in the mind. You said if I'm feeling miserable, that is sinking down misery is tamoguna. Gushing misery is rajoguna. You said it, Bhagavan. And because I'm in the body, I still have this subtle body. These messages keep coming. But you are giving me, Diksuchi, you are giving me these messages. And in this way, you also gave instruction. This is Daivihesha Gunamayi. When these messages come like this, know that they are the shadow of my Chit Shakti. You will not be able to come out on your own. वो भी बोल दिया भगवान आपने. Mam eva ye prapatyante. Yes, Bhagavan. I see the messages coming out from the body, from the mind. I'm taking prapatti of you, Bhagavan. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna. And Krishna and Krishna and Krishna and Krishna and Krishna and Krishna and Krishna. Inside Krishna, outside Krishna, all the time Krishna, everywhere Krishna, no matter what, Krishna, 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 that's prapatti. That's prapatti. Krishna everywhere. Everything is Krishna's. Everybody is Krishna's. I am Krishna's. Everybody is Krishna's. This is Krishna's arrangement. For my own good, he is the best friend. This is japa. This is taking prapatti. This is Harinam. When we are chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare means Krishna. Everything belongs to you. Everybody belongs to you. I belong to you. I have you. You are taking care of me. You are the controller. Please tell me what's my next service, Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Please give me the strength to endure this and stay with you in your seva lovingly. Please, Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. This is taking prapatti. This is calling out to Krishna. This is what chanting means. Bhagavan has given mercy, is giving mercies continuously. We are in mercy. We will see the mercy when we are. We see the mercy when we are honoring the mercy. Is that Madhavi Sundari Mataji? Yeah? आप फिक्स्ड हो गए माताजी. Yeah. Where is it that mercy not present? So now that is prapatti. So when Maya ji says, hi, how are you? What is this category? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Then तब बोल सकते हम लोग, आप ठाकुर जी का चित शक्ति का शैडो है ना माया जी, प्रणाम्स टू यू. तब बोल सकते. But that's prapatti. Where is it that Bhagavan did not give us mercy? Where is it that is not mercy? What is it that is not mercy? तो माया जी की जाए, ठाकुर जी के चित शक्ति shadow की जाए, because Maya Devi is constantly reminding us, turn towards the Lord, take prapatti to the Lord. That's the functionality of Maya Shakti. That's why Maya Shakti ki jai. Otherwise we forget that we have to take prapatti also. Sab yeah. This is wonderful. No, this is Dukkhalayam. Back home, back to Godhead, to the spiritual realm, at the lotus feet of Lord Krishna. So that's a functionality. So when those messages come from within, then immediately those messages are meant for what? What are those messages meant for? The prapatti. Those messages are only reminders to take shelter of the Lord. They simply remind us to take shelter of the Lord. And you know what the beauty is? When we learn to be just in the shelter of the Lord, all those messages, they don't come anymore. Try, dear devotees. Try karna. If those messages are coming, it means we are still work in progress. We haven't learned to be in prapatti. But when we are in prapatti and has least resistance for prapatti, when the message come, immediately prapatti lena, those messages will not be there anymore. No misery anymore. The body is fine, mind is fine. Dekh lena. Immediately. Like Srila Prabhupada says, when one moment ho jata hai. Aisa. That is prapatti. We don't have to wait that long. Dekh lena. And where each time it happens, okay, this is the reminder. Misery is a reminder to take prapatti. Misery is a reminder to stay in soothing shelter. Then you see those messages will not come anymore because we have learned the lesson. How do you think we come to the stage of Nishtha in Bhakti? By learning the lesson to stay in the shelter, to stay in the soothing shelter. If we make sure that we stay in the soothing shelter, these messages not even come. माने सब ठीक है अंदर, इसलिए messages नहीं आ रहे. Kirtaniya Sadahari is that reminder. Always stay in the soothing shelter. Then there will be no messages coming. And if there is a message again, then stay tight in the soothing shelter. Krishna, 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 Krishna. डिवोशनल साइंस है, प्रत्यक्ष अवगमन धर्म्यम है. ये सेंटिमेंटलिटी नहीं है ना, पक्का लिविंग साइंस है ना. नेक्स्ट वन, विच वर्स इज दैट? 17 ना. या so that was Maya Shakti, that was a reflection of Chit Shakti that we heard. Now, Thakura Bhaktivinoda is talking about us, Jiva Shakti. Yeah? Bheda Bheda Mai Jiva Shakti Jiva Gane Tatasye Prakashe Krishna Sevara Karane.
The Jivas or Jiva Shakti are one and different from the Supreme. They are manifest by Krishna as tatashta, marginal, so they can perform service.
Aha! What is the functionality of Jiva Shakti?
Perform service.
Seva. Service. That's the very functionality of the Jiva. The Lakshana of the Jiva, the Tattva of the Jiva is Seva to Bhagavan. That's a very functionality. So when we are engaged in the seva, no messages of misery will come because we are engaged in our eternal occupation. Seva to Bhagavan. कौन से कैसे सेवा है वो? हाँ? ये माता जी अब एक के बार PhD questions one time प्रभु, one shot. माया शक्ति कौन है? चित शक्ति का शैडो. वो कौन से सेवा है? प्रीति सेवा. What is our eternal occupation? Preeti Seva to who? Yes.
Naam Prabhu.
Yes. Yeah.
The giver of Nama.
Yes. Preeti Seva to. Morning prayers में सुन के there is only one प्रीति वस्तु, Krishna. Bhagavata and Bhagavan are inseparable, Mataji. ठीक है? Only one प्रीति वस्तु. There is only one occupation to the Jiva, Preeti Seva to Preeti Vastu, Bhagavan. Yeah? We are meant for Preeti Seva to who? Preeti Vastu, Bhagavan. Then how about everything, everybody? So, what about everybody? What about everything then? What are we doing about everything then? If the Preeti Seva is meant only for Preeti Vastu, then what about all the living entities and everything else? They are Preeti Vastus, they are Krishnas. So there is no difference. Aisa. This is how Namaruchi gives Jivadaya. Vaishnava Seva automatically happens with Namaruchi. So our eternal occupation is Preeti Seva. This Sankirtan is Preeti Seva to Preeti Vastu. Yeah? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Ya Nitya Mukta Jivadviprakara, Nitya Mukte Nitya Krishna Sevadhikara. Yes, please. And I hear that the Vaishnavis at the back, they're saying वॉल्यूम बड़ा है, कम कर देना बोल के बोलिए. सो माता जी, मे बी द स्पीकर थोड़ा सा कम करना माता जी. श्योर माता जी. टू द वैष्णवीज एट द बैक, कम करना ना. जो वैष्णवीज जो बोलते हैं. यस.
There are two kinds of Jiva Nitya Bhatta, eternally bound, and Nitya Mukta, eternally liberated. Those that are Nitya Mukta are eternally eligible to perform service to Krishna.
Yeah, Nitya Mukta, sir, eternally eligible. So, where did this Nitya Mukta come from? And Nitya Baddha, source. We'll hear. Nitya Baddha Maya Gune Kareye Samsara Bahirmukha Antarmukha Vede Dviprakara. Nana koncham gattiga దగ్గర పెట్టు.
Those that are Nitya Baddha are bound by Maya and go through the cycle of birth and death. They are of two types: Bahirmukha, averse to Krishna, and Antarmukha, inclined towards Krishna.
Oh, look at this. Even Nitya Baddha, Thakur is saying, those that are averse to Krishna, Bahirmukha, always seeing externally, those are inclined to look internally towards Krishna. So willingness hai yahan, conditioned hai, but what is the willingness of this conditioned jiva? Based on that, willingness towards Krishna, Antarmukha, and averse to Krishna, Bahirmukha. Yeah, next one. Antarmukha sadhu sange Krishna nama paya, Krishna nama prabhavete Krishna Dhame Yaya.
In the association of sadhus, those who are antarmukha can attain Krishna Nama, and through the effulgence of Krishna Nama, they progress to Krishna's abode.
Dear devotee, did we hear that? Whoa! See, this is the potency of the Vani of the Acharyas. This is Tattva. In the association of sadhus, those who are antarmukhas can attain Krishna Nama, Mane Krishna Dhama. Through the influence of Krishna Nama, they progress to Krishna's abode. So basically, association of sadhus plus willingness for Krishna plus Krishna Nama is equal to Krishna Dhama. This is going back home, back to Godhead. Association of sadhus plus willingness inside to be with Krishna plus Krishna Nama. So we are jivas, jiva tattva, right? Conditioned, obviously, so we are conditioned jiva. To which category do we belong to? Antarmukha or Bahirmukha? Okay, Antarmukha. Why do we fall in Antarmukha?
Because there is a sadhu in our life.
Whoa! This is double PhD, Prabhu. Josna Mataji, Nitai Gurmani Prabhu is saying I didn't hear. So, what was the question? मैंने answer सुनने के बाद question भूल गए. How are we antarmukha? How do we know we are antarmukha? Can you explain that little more, Josna Mataji? वो double PhD answer है, please. Mic, please. Nitai Gunam Prabhu, Mataji is explaining, please here.
Even if we are able to look, it says that antarmukhas who are inclined towards Krishna, and it's only because of the sadhu in our life, sadhu guru in our life, that inclination comes and is staying, being maintained. So having a Shri Guru in life ensures that we will remain antarmukha.
Mataji, thank you so much, Mataji. Did you see how this is full of hope? This is actually loving causeless mercy that has come to stay with us and would not leave. अगर अवस है तो भी I'm not going to leave you. To change our willingness, that is in the वो साधु की बस की बात में है. That is what sadhu does. Loving causeless mercy does. Very wonderful, Mataji. Thank you for that. Because that's what sadhu sangha is. Even the willingness also, that is how this is called sadhu sangha. Even the inclination also changes. If we were not inclined before and we are starting to be inclined, that is a powerful sadhu sangha. And we really got the association of the sadhu. Because our inclination changes. Our desire changes, our inclination changes. And of course everything else will change after that. Very good. Thank you, Mataji. So, Antarmukha Jivas. So the root cause is, yes, sadhu is there. And because of the effect of sadhu, mercy of the sadhu. When the magnet is rubbing off on the iron, then the iron also starts to become a magnet. Inclination is coming as a. So the root cause is the sadhu, and the result of the root cause is the inclination in the jiva. So that's how, by the mercy, we are antarmukhas. Yeah. So because these two things are there, and do we have Krishna Nama given to us?
Yes.
Yeah. And the sadhu is so mercifully explaining the tattva. So who is Krishna Nama?
Krishna.
What is Krishna Nama? Nama is?
Krishna himself.
Nama is Krishna, Nama is Dhamma. Hai na? So that the Thakura is explaining. Very wonderful. So three things. Sadhu plus Antarmukha plus Krishna Nama is equal to?
Krishna Dhamma.
Krishna Dhamma. Sadhu plus Antarmukha plus Krishna Nama equal to?
Krishna Dhamma.
Krishna Dhamma means going back home, back to Godhead. Means the divine love, land of, abode of divine love. Hai na? Means the groves of Vrindavana. So that is possible by Sadhu plus Antarmukha plus Krishna Nama. ठीक है? बढ़िया बढ़िया. Thank you, thank you. Next one, please. नामत अखंड रसा कालिकता हारा कृष्णादि सम्य रूपे विश्वेत प्रचारा. Yes. Mic, please.
The name is indivisible rasa, and its budding flower is disseminated throughout the universe in the form of names such as Krishna.
Ooh. The name is indivisible rasa. Nama is indivisible rasa, and its budding flower is disseminated throughout the universe in the form of names such as Krishna. Oh, again, this is Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakura. See, in Harinama Tuva, Aneka Swarupa, what did the Thakura say? Everything has come from the Nama. He didn't say everything has come from Krishna. Thakura said everything has come from Nama. All the Rupas are coming from the Nama. All the Shakti is coming from the Nama. Because the Nama is the Shaktiman. So there the source is Nama. But what is Thakura saying here? It is the Rasa. Rasa is exuding the name. Oh Govinda. This is Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakura ki Jaya Jaya Jaya. Nama physicist hai, Nama chemist hai, Nama biologist hai, Nama ये क्या है? You see that, dear devotees? It is the rasa, indivisible rasa, that is exuding the Nama. Mane, this is other way of saying, at the most we hear that Raso Vaisaha, Krishna is Rasa, Rasa Vigraha. But Thakura, Bhaktivinoda Thakura is saying, no. The supreme indivisible rasa is exuding Nama out of it. From the rasa is dripping Nama. Mane, see, it's like this, yeah. When we say that bottle is filled with honey, okay? Yeah? Bottle is filled with honey. Nama is filled with rasa. Okay, वो एक बात है. But Thakura is saying, when the honey drop, when the honey drop is dipping, is this full of honey? Kuch there is, when you say the container is filled with honey, then we will think like maybe the container at the very top there is a little part that is not with honey aisa. But when we say honey drop, mane, is there any place without honey in the honey drop? ऐसा वाला है. Indivisible rasa. Namata akanda rasa. Kalika tahara. Namata akanda rasa kalika tahara. Krishna adi, all this. Samya rupe vishwate prachara. See, when we hear about this nama like this, and when we are chanting Hare Krishna, 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 Hare, then it's all about Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakura. Who are you thinking about? I am not thinking about it. Is Bhaktivinoda Thakura coming? Dear mind, I don't know Bhaktivinoda Thakura coming. What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? Bhaktivinoda Thakura is saying, Nama is exuding from rasa. मैं क्या बोलूं? This is Tunde Tandavini Ratim Vitanute Tundavali Labdaye Karna Kroda Kadambini Ghatayate Karna Abudebhya Spriham Cheta Prangani Sangani Vijayate Sarvendriyanam Kritam. This. मैं क्या बोलूं? I am not trying anything. Sarvendriyanam kritam. The mind is stunned. Senses are conquered. अंदर फैक्ट्री बंद हुआ. Senses factory, mind factory बंद हुआ. Stunned हुआ. मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहे. आचार्य है और आचार्य वाणी है. That is going on. When that is happening in the Nama, why will Nama not reveal that Dhamma? इसीलिए ये आचार्य वाणी सुनना है. क्यों? So it can come and bite सकते हैं within us. ऐसा हमको टैप करे तो, कोकोनट को ब्रेक ओपन करे तो, कोकोनट वाटर रहता है ना. If there is an X-ray machine that can run through us, there should be just only top to bottom आचार्य वाणी है. क्या है? कुछ अंदर नहीं है क्या? नो माइंड है, नो इंटेलिजेंस है, नो फॉल्स ईगो है, नो पंचभूतस, नथिंग है. टॉप टू बॉटम. देन अतएव नाम मात्रा वैष्णवेर धर्मा नामे प्रस्फुटिता होइले रूपा गुणा कर्मा. तब होता है. ऐसा हो सकता है क्या? हमको हो सकता है क्या? Can that happen to us? Dear devotees, can that happen to us?
Yes.
Yes. How? Please.
Sadhu is there, Krishna Ram is there, Antarmukha is there.
Yes, Mataji. You formula तो आपने बोल दिया. लेकिन something else, please. Desire, Mataji. मैं डिजायर को प्रणाम करती हूँ माताजी. मुझे में मस्टर्ड सीड डिजायर भी नहीं माताजी. Answer is not wrong, but yeah, not a wrong answer definitely, but yeah, वो भी not wrong है. फिर से something else please.
What is the question?
वही, that's what I was also thinking. Can this happen to us? What? Atha eva nama matra vaishnaveva dharma. Can the nama reveal the rupa guna karma to us, to each one of us? Can that happen to us? And you all said yes, Mataji. And your reasons are not wrong. Can more answers come, please? How can that happen to us?
Devotee association.
Ami dayi tava pache pache. Krishna se tomara, Krishna dite paro, tomaro shakti ache. Krishna se tomara, Krishna dite paro, tomaro shakti ache. Ami to kangala, Krishna Krishna bole, dayi tava pache pache. Ami dayi tava pache pache. Yes, thank you, Mataji. Now full of hope, Mataji. So all that I need to do is dayi tava pache pache. Ami dayi tava pache pache. Oh, for the newcomers, in the Nitai Sankirtan van and in the Gaura Sankirtan van, why are we saying with such a great affection, dayi tava pache pache? Do you know what is the dayi tava pache pache means? For the Vaishnavis is saying to who?
I'm saying to Krishna.
Are you saying to Krishna? Are you running behind Krishna? Is that what you're saying, Tali? The mic.
I am simply your servant running behind you. Wait. That's right.
Nana, mic and your own words, please. We are very eager to hear, please.
Hare Krishna.
Our thoda sound, please. I know you want this sound to be low, but I want that sound to be high. So please. కొంచెం నాన్న వినిపించట్లేదురా ఇక్కడికి
Hare Krishna.
మైక్ దగ్గర